Hi, welcome back. It's been a minute since I have painted or done much. I've been super busy. I have another little project that I'll talk about later. It's not related to painting, but it's part of what I'm doing. So I actually just did two sets of these coasters. They're dry now, but I'm waiting for them to cure a little bit more, and then I'm going to put resin on them for a customer of mine at my boutique. She saw what I did and wanted some in teal colors, and these turned out amazing. So anyway, so those are still drying, but I loved it so much, the colors so much, that I did a Lazy Susan. Again, this one's dry, but I haven't resined it. I don't know if I'm going to resin this one. It did warp a little bit, it looks like, because it's a bamboo Lazy Susan, and I didn't treat it prior to that, and it also ended up with some little bubbles in here. I'm really bummed because I showed it to her. I was just telling her how much I love the colors, and she wanted to buy it. So we'll see if I can, what I can do. But in the meantime, I'm doing another one, another Lazy Susan in those colors because it's super pretty. So I just treated it with gesso. That's how you say it. So I treated it with that, so hopefully it doesn't warp. And I have liquid latex on the underneath, just so to protect it. Instead of taping it off, it's a little harder. So the colors those that I use, what I'm going to use on this tonight is a turquoise phthalo by Golden. Love this color. I love all these. This little piggy mermaid. And then Pearl Sage Green by Arteza. Pearl Electric Blue by Arteza. And then this is a this little piggy Sea Glass. And then I will use my cell activator is Titanium White by Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. And then my pillow paint is Glidden that I get from Home Depot, and it's just the satin. So, okay, so I'm going to put my hair up so I don't, because when I blow it out, I don't want to get paint in my hair, which I always do. So I'm going to put my hair up, and I'll flip the camera down and get started. Okay, I'm going to try this again. So I scraped it. It's all dry. Oh, hold on. I'm going to actually tape off the bottom. Hold on. Okay, now I had to fix this, tape off the bottom, cover that, recover that, clean up a little bit. so I can make a mess again. All right. So obviously I scraped this. I let it all dry. Had to get some more paint, let it set. Hopefully there aren't a ton of bubbles in it. It's a little thin, I can tell, because this is from a brand new can. Let's pop some of those bubbles right now before I put any paint on there, any other paint on there. Okay, I think this one turned out much better, so I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, and here it is. Once it dries, I will put a coat of or two of resin on it and see what happens. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.